Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening. What is going on? Welcome back to JB ADV. As you can see, scenery is a little different. You can see some cabins behind me. You guys probably just watched the time lapse. We just unloaded here. We are in Ohio. So we are riding Wayne National Forest. I have Pauline with me and her brother Kyle. So we are going to be riding. This is his first time ever in Ohio too, actually. So this is going to be pretty interesting.
First time riding in Ohio.
Well, yeah, riding in Ohio, but that's what I'm talking about, is riding in Ohio. But yeah, it's going to be a good time. So we got a cabin for the weekend. As you can see, the weather's not cooperating that much. I think you guys are going to be in for a little bit of a treat. I don't know what's ahead of us, but I have a feeling it's a lot of mud and a lot of slick trails. A lot of wetness. It's supposed to downpour all day tomorrow. That's the weather as of now. Today's Thursday, so Friday, today's supposed to be okay. Friday's supposed to rain. Saturday's supposed to be on and off rain, but I'm sure we'll get more riding in on Saturday, and then Sunday we're gonna head out. So we're here for the weekend. We're here for the long haul this weekend. Guys, this cabin is pretty sweet. So let me explain. So we are at Begley's Campground. I believe they pronounce it like Bagley's, but we're at Begley's Campground. Really cool, small little place. People are absolutely like, people are so friendly here so far. But check out this little cabin. Check this thing out. So we actually got 2 beds here. Small, but this does the job. I mean, you got 2 beds here. You got a little refrigerator. You have AC. You have heat. That is a heater down there. We also have a boot dryer because it's going to get wet today. But I'll tell you, it's all you need. You got a little porch. We got a little griddle. Just like last time we went to Connecticut, we got our little griddle. We're just hanging out now. We just had a 8.5-hour ride, and yeah, we just unloaded. It's time to ride. So just like last time, we drove all this way, we unloaded, now we're gonna go ride. So we got our passes, right? We got passes? So we're good to go. So we're gonna just hang out here. It probably won't be busy at this campground this weekend, but that's okay, that doesn't matter. And yeah, so I'm just gonna dive right into this, guys. Thanks so much for joining. If you guys like this type of content, as you can see, I'm pumping out some more content. I'm trying to. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. I know a lot of you guys aren't subscribed. It would really help me out. I know we are so close to 1,000 subscribers, so let's get to it. We're like 150 away. Let's do it. Let's get to that. Let's help me out. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers, okay, guys? And yeah, let's get to it. We're just gonna swap right to the helmet cam and get going. A little bit of a quick intro today compared to what I normally do, but when we were riding here, it was all dark. And then when we got here, we were just talking to some other people that are here riding. Actually, they both have 300Ls. The guy who just went out on the trails with his 300L, he actually has a lot of work done to it. He's got the 550 Performance ECU and the Olin suspension. And he did some other mods as well, you know, sprockets and other things, different bars. It looks really good. It'd be really, pipe and everything. It'd be really interesting to ride his, but I'm more looking to ride a 250L that has a lot of work like that done, just to see performance-wise, just to really see the difference between these, because you're immediately going to a 300 and then to that, but you're talking another couple grand in work. And at the end of the day, I don't know if it's worth it, guys. I don't, but that's just my 2 cents. But either way, it's gonna be very interesting coming back out here now, Wayne National Forest. We if you are familiar, if you are longtime subscribers of the channel, and you remember us riding here with Tanner and everyone last time we came out here, you'll remember we went all the way north to a trailhead, turned around, and came all the way back down. Well, that northmost trailhead is actually right up this road, right out here. So that's actually where we're at today, is we're camping right above that northmost trailhead. So we're actually gonna be heading back down south, similar to where we camped last time, and we're starting from here. But we've been told by the locals that the trails are, what they say is greasy, so they're probably pretty slippery today. I'm sure they had some pretty bad storms lately. I'm sure we'll see a couple down logs or something along those lines. I'm sure that's what we're gonna experience today, but in any event, should be a pretty fun time, and I'm pretty excited to be back here in Ohio. It's always a blast whenever we go out on the trails here, because the trails are just so nice compared to where we live. And yeah, guys, I'm just super excited to get out. Plus, it's Pauline's brother's first time. I always call him my brother-in-law, future brother-in-law, but it's his first time here in Ohio to ride. So he's never experienced these trails. But unlike where we're at, these are super flowy, super fun. You just take your time, have a good time. He said he really liked what we did up in Connecticut too. He said those look kind of fun too. So I'm sure he'll be heading back up to Connecticut eventually too. But there's your little bit longer of an intro, guys. I'm gonna cut to it. Let's get riding. So we're just heading into the trails. The locals said that this way may be a little challenging for us to get into the trails because the it's very soupy, they said, and greasy and slippery. So we're gonna see. They said the hill leading up to this is pretty rough. We're just checking it out. We're gonna check out how bad this is. If not, we'll turn around and we're just gonna head out to the trailhead, and we'll just enter from that way. He just splashed me.
My bad. I didn't think I splashed you.
You got me a small bit. It was like one little snake trail that came up and smacked me. That's all. It's all good, dude. It's all good. From the sounds of it, I can't see behind me, guys, but from the sounds of it, it sounds like Kyle's having a good time so far. Oh, I see what trail he's talking about. Pauline, just give it hell going up that. You're fine. Yeah, no problem. This is a really fun little switchback coming back up here, though. This is a lot of fun, actually. That's a cool connector trail. Oh man, it feels so good to be back on these trails, literally. Like, you can't ask for better groomed trails. Yep. That's what's nice here, Kyle, is you get those nice berms, man. And that's it, we're at the trail. Look at that. Oh yeah, it's greasy, man. Yep, for sure. Yeah, I know, I'm getting a little ballsy really laying into these corners. Pauline's getting air apparently over here. I don't know what she's doing. Oh, I think this is the trail you actually did get air on. Yeah, Pauline, I think it's this trail is the trail that you actually did get air on. Yeah, that's the spot you did. I just gapped that whole water puddle though. That was fun. That's that water puddle. I just jumped right over that. That was a lot of fun. A good like foot of air off that, foot and a half. This is also marked as the easiest trail on the map. Just did the same thing you did, Kyle. Yeah, I just wheelie over them. It's even easier. Just stand up and crack the throttle. Yeah, this is literally the easiest trail here. So let's get a little warm up. Yeah. We're moving through this though. I mean, that should show you, compare the speed we went through this thing last year, or 2 years ago, to Pauline cruising through it now, no problem. Will really show you how far she's come. Yep, and now this just leads you straight up to that, yeah, this will just lead you right up to that, like, three-way intersection. Oh yeah, a little slick there. Oh. Now you want to take the right to go on blue. Yeah, I know this. I know exactly where we're at. It just looks so different when it's not all grown in. But yeah, we want to go right here on red. Oh my God. Well, at least there was no water in there for me. Yeah, no, they're right. I mean, it's greasy for sure. Whew. Oh yeah. I can always tell if Kyle's been this way because the puddle's moving. I do remember this though. Yeah, this takes us over the little bridge and then there's some hill climbs down here, I believe. Yeah. I do remember this. Yeah. That's the one Pauline went up. I remember this. It's definitely cleaned up, babe. You know what it is? Oh, you guys do your thing. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. It's a little greasy, but it's fun. I know, right? Why? Could you hear the revving? Oh, it's slippery, man. These hill climbs are gonna be no joke this weekend. Oh, there's more hill climbs to come, dude. But if you want to keep here, man, go for it, dude. It's all you, man. You want to keep messing around? Oh yeah, go for it, Kyle. Oh, I got a bad view. Let me move up. There you go. There you go, there you go. Nice, dude. There you go. Nice. Yeah, this is the other hill climb right here. I just gotta take a look at how this looks now. Yeah, this is totally different. Damn, look at the size of this tree that came down. Actually, it might have been this one right here that I went up. Yeah, I think it was this one I went up. It just looks different because everything's grown in and there's leaves. I think it was that one that I went up. It's just slick. I know I'm supposed to drop it on the other side. That damn radiator. I don't even get it this time though. It was so slick right here. So slick. Look at this. Look at this, guys. I didn't even grip into that. I literally hit that and it was like glass. It just bopped me right out. Back tire hit that and I just slipped right out. Oh well. Oh well. Damn. I almost made it all the way up too. But now I gotta get this hog up. Yeah, that's the way to do it. It is like glass right underneath me right now. It sucks. All right, 1, 2, 3. Oh. It's in gear, I guess. I could probably get on from right here.
Actually, hold on. It's in gear, so. Woo! That was a pain in the ass, man. Holy shit. Yeah, my damn light bar and shit though. I gotta fix everything here. It's okay. Yeah, okay, maybe that's not so bad. Nice. Okay, good. All right. 1 defeat so far. That's rough, dude. It's just so slick.